forging a mini sword out of this nail. So I've got my vice grip and my hammer, and yeah. Now we are going to do some fine tuning, so sand, fix this bend it's got, and file it down so it has a really nice shape. So yeah, let's get to it. I just finished. It's nice work, I think. Now, yeah, that's the sword.